cannot believe you're the same girl from last week. Like, where did that even come from? Oh my god, that is amazing. I can't believe, like, the growth in a week. Like, literally a week you were stood there like this, and now you're like, tomorrow. That was amazing. Well done, babe. Zoe.
What Sam just said then was spot on. You were so much more confident this week. Like, you literally look like a completely different person on stage, like within the way you perform and stuff. And that's not an easy song to sing because it doesn't go where you expect it to vocally, and I don't think you were off key, but like you hit every single note, and your control, not only in the high notes like at the end then, like to hold a note like that is mad, but the control on the lower notes in the verses as well. To be able to control a lower note is harder than to control a higher note, and you smashed it. Your range as well is stunning. It was so much better than last week. Well done.
Thanks, Emily.
Yeah, I loved how you stripped the song back from the original backing track, and you've got such a lot of power for your age, and your lower register is really nice too. It's really nice and low. I love the confidence, but what I would say is bring the mic closer to your mouth because we couldn't hear you at some parts. But other than that note at the end as well, that was brilliant. Well done.
Thanks, Jolie.
Jess, it definitely was a step up. This is what we want to see, guys. We want to see you stepping up from your previous run. You know, this, not just you, Jess, but everyone. If we see a progress, then we want to see you again. Do you know what I mean? So it doesn't matter if it's perfect entirely, as long as we've seen a progress. Jess, literally, that was a massive step up. You looked so much more relaxed. I know it's still new and getting comfortable, but the fact you took it off the stand, I weren't expecting to do that. And I thought, I was looking and thinking, I didn't think she had the confidence to it, because a lot of people don't. But you did, and you've done it so relaxed. Emily did pick up on your mic control, and I was like this throughout, go closer, because it was quiet in places. But that's something you just get used to. But just remember in future, the mic here, like this, alright, right there. I can control it from this end then, you know, but if it's down here, I haven't got no control. I'm like, I can't hear you. So make sure you're nice and close, and that goes to everyone too. But vocally, fantastic. You should be really proud of yourself. Step up from last week. Well done, girl.
Thanks, Jolie. Give it for Jess.